Hey there! In this video, we are going to talk about how to tell if your cervix is open or closed. This is an important thing to know if you're trying to get pregnant or if you want to avoid pregnancy. There are a few different ways to check your cervix and we will go over all of them in this video. First, let's talk about what the cervix is and why it's important. The cervix is the lower part of the uterus and it's the opening to the uterus. The cervix is what dilates during childbirth to allow the baby to pass through. During pregnancy, the cervix is usually closed to keep the baby safe inside the uterus. There are a few different ways to check your cervix. The most common way is to feel for it with your fingers. You can do this by inserting your fingers into the vagina and feeling for the opening of the cervix. It's important to be gentle when you're doing this and to make sure your nails are trimmed short. Another way to check your cervix is to use a speculum. A speculum is a tool that doctors use to look inside the vagina. You can buy a speculum at a drugstore or you can get one from your doctor. To use a speculum, you will need to lubricate it with KY jelly or another lubricant. Then, you will insert the speculum into the vagina and open it up. You should be able to see your cervix through the opening of the speculum. Finally, you can check your cervix with a flashlight. This is called the flashlight test. To do this, you will need a small flashlight. Insert the flashlight into the vagina and look for the cervix. It should be a round, donut-shaped opening. Now that you know how to check your cervix, let's talk about how to tell if it's open or closed. If your cervix is closed, it will feel like a firm bump. It will be difficult to insert your fingers into the cervix. If your cervix is open, it will feel like a soft, doughy opening. You should be able to insert your fingers into the cervix easily. If you're trying to get pregnant, you will want to have sex when your cervix is open. This is when you're most likely to get pregnant. If you're trying to avoid pregnancy, you will want to have sex when your cervix is closed. This is when you're least likely to get pregnant. You can check your cervix yourself or you can ask your doctor to check it for you. Whichever way you choose, it's important to know how to tell if your cervix is open or closed. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share it with your friends and family and write your valuable comment about this video. Also, you can check out our other videos.